Lamb and tomato stew today with a kind of Middle Eastern Arab spice to it. Really, really simple. It takes a little while to cook, but it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's have a look at what we have. I've got lamb here. There's no bone in this, very little amount of fat, kind of cut into nice kind of chunks like that. So it's a really nice cut actually. There's 500 grams there, which is 2.2 pound. 2 cups of onions, 3 cups of fresh tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, a tablespoon of garlic, fresh chili, the amount up to you. I'm just going to put in those 3 there. Half a cup of tomato paste, and then let's take a look at the spices. So we've got a teaspoon of chili, cumin and coriander. We've got half a teaspoon of cinnamon, black lemon or black lime powder and green cardamom powder. Let's go. So in my pot here, I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil. Change that if you want. We're going to drop in our beautiful cut lamb. And just on a medium heat, we're just going to fry the lamb for about 6 minutes. Not too high, medium heat. So that's about 6 minutes there. I mean, obviously nowhere near cooked. We've got a long way to go. We're now going to drop in that 2 cups of onion. At this stage I'm going to add some salt and pepper. I'm using this pink Himalayan stuff at the moment. And we're going to continue on a medium heat for another 5 minutes. Fabulous. Tablespoon of garlic, chopped. Let's get that in. Fresh chili. I mean, optional. You don't have to do that if you don't want. I just like it in there. And then spices. Let's have a look, shall we? So we've got a teaspoon each of cumin, coriander and chili powder, and then half a teaspoon each of green cardamom powder, cinnamon and black lemon powder. By the way, that is black lemon powder. A lot of you can't get it. I know. Every time I use it, you guys email me, but it's a whole dried black lemon. This is the powder form. Might not be able to get it where you are, but for sure you'll be able to get it online. Again, stay on this medium heat. Let's go for 4 more minutes. Next up, we're going to add that half a cup of tomato paste. Now that's 135 grams. I know that because it's one of those small Tetra Pak things, you know. Now we really want to cook this out, so we're going to go for 5 or 6 minutes now. Again, staying on the medium heat, but really want to cook the tomato paste out. Excellent stuff. Okay, now 3 cups of fresh tomatoes. In they go. Spread them about there. Stay on the medium heat. We're now going to go for 20 minutes. You're going to stir every now and then, and depending on how juicy your tomatoes are, you're going to get some moisture from them maybe as they cook down. But yeah, 20 minutes, stir every now and then. If it gets dry, add a little bit of water. Okay, so that's been going 20 minutes. My tomatoes, as you can see, have broken down. We've now got a beautiful sauce. I didn't add any water to it or anything. My tomatoes were fine. Now you need to check your lamb, because my lamb is actually a really nice cut, so it's going to be fine. I'm just going to add now in that cilantro or coriander, whatever you may call that from where you're from. I'm going to give it a mix. I'm going to check it for salt. And that's done. That's a really beautiful, deep lamb stew we have there. Fabulous. So that's perfect with some rice or with some naan or kind of Cookbook bread if you want. Absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook, $3.99. Very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.